Who doesn't want to own a beautiful pair of shoes that slips off your heel and makes you look like a clumsy fool? This has been a common problem for me, so I found a fix. I got these great little shoe straps on eBay. They were just 99 cents. And the wonderful thing about these is they have a typical buckle on one side, and the other side is this open-sided clip that you just slide the buckle into so that you don't actually have to be sticking the little metal piece through the hole. It's very easy on and off. Comes with these little extra pieces. They're not really extra because you use these to turn the straps into an ankle strap. You can actually slide these under the heel of a shoe, or if you have a wedge like me and you can't put it underneath the shoe, use super glue to adhere the little strap to the back seam of the shoe and put the ankle strap through there, and you have a brand new shoe, and it's going to be great. Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Andrea, and I never thought of myself as being somebody who has freakishly skinny heels, but apparently I have freakishly skinny heels, because every pair of shoes that I buy that has a heel on it, especially wedges, I don't know what it is, and I love wedges. Like when I step, it just, like my heel slips right out of it. Every time, slips out. So, I got this super cute pair of wedges, and I thought, you know what, there's no way I can wear them because they wouldn't stay on my foot. So I ordered these really cheap, like 99-cent shoe straps on eBay. And they came with this little extra piece, and I thought, what is that for? And then it dawned on me, I could put that on the back of my shoe and make this an ankle strap. So I did, and it actually works. Like, I just super glued it on there, and it's like, seems like it's pretty sturdy, and now I'm gonna actually be able to wear my cute new shoes. So I have several other pairs of shoes that I'm probably gonna do this to because, like I said, I love them, they're adorable, but even, like, I've put the little sticky heel grips in there. I have even... I thought I had a brilliant idea. So you know those little non-slip pads you can get for like your car? It's like a little silicone pad, and it's like sticky, like a sticker on one side, sometimes both sides, and put it on your dash, and that way you can lay your phone there, or your keys or whatever, and they don't slip away. Well, I even bought several of those, and like I cut them into strips to fit in the heel, thinking, oh, this will be the answer for me, and no. Because just one side is sticky, so it would like stick to my foot and then like come off, and I would be walking down the hallway with something on my heel, and people were probably thinking she is deformed or something. But anyway, so nothing worked, but this is awesome. I am so excited that this worked. So I'm going to show you in fast motion how I did this. So here we go. So I just have my little shoe straps ready to go and my little short piece. So what I'm doing here is I'm just measuring to see how far down on the shoe that I need to glue the strap. So I just grab my super glue and I put it on the strap first, because if I don't have to put it on the shoe, I'm not going to, because I don't want it to show on the outside of the shoe. So I just put it on the inside of the strap, and I hold it there for just a few seconds until I can tell that it's tacky. And that clearly was, because you could see my thumb stick to it a little bit. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm just going to measure to see how far down I need to glue the little strap and put my glue on. Stick it on there, and this time I really get my thumb on there good. Takes a little effort to pull it off. And here I make a mistake, and I don't edit this out of the video because don't do what I did. So... at first, when I slide the strap through, I very stupidly started with the side that is the open edge that you slide the other piece of strap into to get it to stay, but I shouldn't have done that. I should have gone with the more narrow end of the strap. So I start to pry that through there, and it pops off. So then you see me in just a second when I start this pushing it in, it pops up, and then I have to re-glue it. So I grab my super glue, and this time I use a clothespin because I probably should have done that to begin with. It would have kept my fingers a little cleaner too. So I grab a clothespin and I just clip it there to make sure that it stays and it adheres well, because I really hate that I pulled it off the shoe to begin with. So here you can see I've got my first strap in. I do the second one the way I should have done the first, and voila, they are done. So there you have it. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm brand new to YouTube. This is my first video ever. I hope to have all kinds of like do-it-yourself videos and little ways of fixing simple things that are problematic and stop us from enjoying the items that we already have. So if you want, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.